Ugh.
Ugly. Little lazy fly ball.
Yeah. So Tom Payne having a great night.
9.
Dude, you gotta get
Coming
this
off
last one.
2 embarrassing nights.
We're in a dry spell right
Coming
now,
off
but
a 1 and 2 night. And I'm casting right now.
this isn't the kind of weeds. You know what? Let me get you in a different spot. These grasses are. Oh, there you go. Hit those lily pads right over there. Bring it through those. See what we got here.
We're working a 20-minute drought.
Yeah, on what's been a very hot night. I've had my problems, some gear issues, and
We had to go to the tackle box.
yeah, and what remained in the tackle box just wasn't the formula tonight.
No. So
There was one formula all night long, like a nice buzz bait, chartreuse favorably.
The exact
Root-
one I borrowed from Dave Ulrichs.
Root beer.
Root beer.
Root beer was hot, and I lost my root beer tonight. So hopefully we'll get a little something
And I
here
lost
for
my
this.
chartreuse buzz bait that I bought at Walmart.
Yeah. Wait, what is that? Oh yeah, the one with the chartreuse blade. It had a plasticky sound to it.
I equate it to those putters you get at pitch and putt mini golf that are painted pink and green.
I've become a firm believer that the sound of the blades also needs to be what they want to be hearing or what's aggravating them. Because I have a chartreuse one that has that clicker on it. It sounded like your plastic one. It makes a very different sound, and it didn't do the trick either.
How long did you fish that?
Oh, hour? That's the one I was fishing on our refish when you knocked the you-know-what out of it. You know?
Oh, the big one?
No, that stretch where we refished it and you got 5 of them.
I forgot.
We should have just kept fishing that one thing the whole time.
Lily pads right there. Day 3 of my shortened trip. Hump week, Wednesday.
Yep.
I'll be on a plane out of here Saturday. Early.
Let's not talk about Saturday.
Yeah, well, that's right. It's not Friday yet. Can't talk about
Right.
Saturday.
Till Friday. Alright. We're cold, so we'll pick up the film next time the fishing's good.
Wasting film.
Alright, sometimes this happens. If we can get in on this. He's got a treble hook. Hang on, let me get a better angle on this thing. Ah, this thing is crazy. These are big white perch. It fights like mad. Alright, I gotta put this thing down. This is ridiculous. So the last footage was us leaving Quaney's, and now we're out on Stevens Pond a half hour later. It looks like Tommy's lost something important. Did you lose some pants, dude?
Fuck.
Hey, careful.
In the washing machine. I'm gonna get eaten.
Dude, put on your blue plastic poncho.
Comments like that?
All right. So anyway, it's a beautiful night. Our first calm evening of the season. So hopefully we'll be picking up some footage when the fish start eating. Mike Vensel just got a nice one. We've finally gotten into a few to come to the surface, and this one's estimated. Oh, he's a little gilled. That sucks. Let's take a quick gander. Oh, he's out. All right, nice job, Vensel.
Thanks.